الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين. Today we reflect on the life of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, a man whom Allah chose, tested, purified and honored. His story is not only history, it is a guide for every believer struggling to remain firm upon faith. Allah mentions Ibrahim alayhi salam repeatedly in the Qur'an to teach us Tawḥīd, sacrifice, patience and complete trust in Allah. Allah gave Ibrahim alayhi salam a title no one else received. وَاتَّخَذَ اللَّهُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ خَلِيلًا, and Allah took Ibrahim as a close friend. This friendship was not because of wealth or status, but because Ibrahim alayhi salam gave his heart entirely to Allah. He trusted Allah in every trial, even when he stood alone against his entire nation. Allah tells us how Ibrahim alayhi salam challenged the false beliefs of his people with wisdom and courage. إِذْ قَالَ لِأَبِيهِ وَقَوْمِهِ مَا تَعْبُدُونَ, when he said to his father and his people, "What is it that you worship?" He questioned idols that could neither hear nor help. قَالَ أَتَعْبُدُونَ مَا لَا يَسْمَعُ وَلَا يَبْصِرُ ولا يغني عنكم شيئا. Do you worship what neither hears nor sees, nor benefits you at all? This teaches us that true faith is based on reason, clarity and sincerity, not blind tradition. When Ibrahim alayhi salam destroyed the idols, his people responded with violence. قالوا حرموه وانصروا آلهتكم. They said, "Burn him and support your gods." But Allah has His own plans with a command that changed history. قلنا يا نار كوني بردا وسلاما على إبراهيم. We said, "O fire, be coolness and safety upon Ibrahim alayhi salam." This moment teaches us that when you stand for Allah, Allah controls the outcome. Even the fire obeys His command. Allah describes the essence of Ibrahim's faith. إِذْ قَالَ لَهُ رَبُّهُ أَسْلِمْ قَالَ أَسْلَمْتُ لِرَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. When his Lord said to him, "Submit," he said, "I have submitted to the Lord of the worlds." His greatest test came when he was commanded to sacrifice his son. قال يا بني إني أرى في المنام أني أذبحك. "O my son, I have seen in a dream that I must sacrifice you." Both father and son submitted, and Allah replaced the sacrifice with mercy. Allah commands us to follow His path. قد كانت لكم أسوة حسنة في إبراهيم. Indeed, there is a beautiful example for you in Ibrahim. Allah praises him. إن إبراهيم كان أمة قانتا لله. Indeed, Ibrahim was a nation in himself. His supplications shows his deep concern for future generations. ربي اجعلني مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتي. My Lord, make me one who establishes prayer and from my descendants, and his concerns for purity of faith. My Lord, keep me and my children away from idol worship. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam teaches us that faith requires courage, Truth demands sacrifice, and Allah never abandons those who rely on Him. May Allah make us amongst those who follow the path of Ibrahim, the path of pure Tawḥīd, unwavering trust and sincere submission. O Allah, grant us faith like the faith of Ibrahim. O Allah, protect our hearts from shirk, doubt and hypocrisy. O Allah, make us firm upon Tawḥīd until our last breath. O Allah, send peace and blessings upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, upon Ibrahim alayhi salam, and upon all the righteous. Ameen.